Hi guys! Today we're going to learn a calculator technique in solving Laplace Transforms problem. This will be very useful in engineering board exams. So if you are interested to learn this, let us now dive to our feature discussion. Okay, so first let us review yung general equation ng Laplace Transforms. So we have here the Laplace transform of the function t, and this is equal to the integral of the function t times e to the negative st dt integrated from 0 to infinity. And this will be equal to the function expressed in s. So in applying this technique, we have to take note that our s right here is a constant. Now we're going to do reverse calculation. That means magagamit lang natin itong technique na ito kapag meron tayong choices na answer. That is why this is very useful in board exam kasi kapag meron tayong question about Laplace transform, there are choices kung ano ba yung tamang sagot. So that's the only way you can use this technique because we're going to check sa mga choices kung ano ba yung tamang sagot base sa nakuha natin sa calculator. But you can also use this in your exam by checking yung nakuha mong sagot. For example, you have a Laplace transform na problem. If you do the calculation and got the final answer, kung gusto mong i-check kung tama ba yung naging sagot mo, then you can use the calculator to verify kung tama ba yung answer mo, no? So, how are we going to use this? So, as I said, we have to take note of this general equation ng Laplace transform. It is because this form ang gagamitin natin in our calculator. So, to do that, let us have this sample problem in here. So, we need to find the Laplace transform of the given function. So, we need to get the Laplace transform of 5 plus 60 minus 8t squared. Then, meron tayo mga choices. Ito yung sinasabi ko, no? We can apply this technique if we have choices kung ano ba yung tamang sagot. So, if you're going to take the Laplace transform of the function t, in this case, our function here is 5 plus 60 minus 8t squared, no? So, it can be written this way. Our fs is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity. Our ft, which is equal to 5 plus 60 minus 8t squared. Okay, then we have here e to the negative st dt. Okay, we already stated before that our s is constant, no? Now, para makuha natin tong sagot na to, we need to assign a value ng ating s, no? So let me say our s is equal to 2. Okay, you can assign any value, but in this case, I'm going to use value of 2. Okay, so I have a calculator right here and I'm going to solve this. So, para makuha natin yung Laplace transform, since it is equal to this, okay, this expression right here, yan ang i-encode natin dito sa ating calculator. So, we need to take the integral, okay, of 5 plus 60 minus 8t squared, no? So, we have here, parenthesis, 5 plus 6. Okay, so, our function here is expressed in x, no? So, this t in here, we're going to replace with x. Okay, so I have 60. So, this will be 6x minus 8. So, t squared. So, I will have x squared here. So, x squared. Then we will close our parentheses. Then multiply this to e to the negative st. So we have e. This is our e right here. So shift to the negative st. Negative, our s is equal to 2, no? So I will substitute that. So I will have 2. Then t is x dito sa ating calculator. Okay, so I will now close the parentheses. Okay, so ngayon, kailangan na lang natin iset yung ating limit. Okay, so our limit is from 0 to infinity. So, 0. Now, for the infinity value here, you can assign any value na gusto mo. Let me use 8 in our calculator right now. You can use other number, no? But for me, I prefer to use 8. Then, I will hit equal sign para makuha natin yung sagot. And here, I have an answer of 2. Okay? The answer in our calculator is equal to 2. Okay? As you can see from here. It is 2.0000, no? Okay, so now, how are we going to check kung tama ba yung naging sagot natin? In order to check that, itong mga choices natin dito, we will substitute itong value ng s na in-assume natin. So, kanina nag-assume tayo ng s is equal to 2. We're going to substitute that here sa mga choices natin dito. At kung alin dito ang magbibigay ng answer na 2, that will be the correct answer. Okay? So, in order to save time, I will tell you now that the answer here is letter B. Okay, so we're going to check kung tama ba yung naging sagot natin. No? So we have here 5s squared plus 6s minus 16 over s cubed. Okay, so yan yung pinili nating sagot. Then, ang sabi natin, isa-substitute natin itong value ng s, dapat ang maging sagot natin is 2. Okay? If naging 2 ang sagot natin, then that means tama itong naging sagot natin dito, no? So, I have 5, okay, times 2 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 16 over 2 cubed. Okay? So, we will have here 5 times 2 squared. So, 2 squared is equal to 4. So, 4 times 5, we have 20. Plus 6 times 2 is equal to 12 minus 16 over 2 cubed, which is equal to 8. So therefore, we have here 20 plus 12 will be 32 minus 16 is equal to 16. And we have here over 8. Now 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Okay? So, as you can see, naging equal siya sa nakuha natin sa calculator. Therefore, tama yung naging sagot natin na letter B. Okay, so ganun lang yung pag-a-apply ng calculator technique natin. But if you want to check kung tama ba itong sagot natin, so let us continue this calculation in here. Okay? We need to get the Laplace transform of 5 plus 60 minus 80 squared. So, this could be equal to the Laplace transform of 5 plus the Laplace transform of 60 minus the Laplace transform of 80 squared. So, this is equal to the Laplace transform of 5, which is equal to 5 over s, plus the Laplace transform of 60, which is equal to 6 over s squared, minus the Laplace transform of 80 squared, which is equal to 8 2 factorial over s cubed. Okay? So, we have here 5 over s plus 6 over s squared minus 8 times 2 factorial, which is equal to 8 times 2. So, this is equal to 16 over s cubed. So, simplifying this, we will have 5 s squared plus 6s minus 16 over s cubed. So, finally, we have 5s squared plus 6s minus 16 over s cubed. Okay? So, this is our final answer dito sa ating question. So, tama rin yung naging sagot natin, ano? So, this is the same as our answer na na-verify natin using the calculator, no? But, to have a clear understanding, let us solve another problem here. Now, we're going to use our calculator. Okay? So, we're going to take the Laplace transform of 3e to the negative 4t. So, this will be equal to 0 to infinity of 3e to the negative 4t times e to the negative st dt. Okay? So again, I will assume s to be equal to 2 para maging madali. Okay? So let us use our calculator. We'll take the integral of 3. Okay? Then e to the negative 4x. Then times e to the negative st. So we have e to the negative, our s is equal to 2, no? Nag-assign tayo ng value ng s. So this will be negative 2x. Okay? Then dt. Now we're going to assign our limit. So this will be from 0 to infinity. But for this infinity, we can assign any number. Here I will use 8 again. Okay? Then we'll hit the equal sign. And our answer here is 1/2. Okay? So I will take note, our answer is equal to 1/2. Okay? Now, to save time, I'll tell you now that our answer here is letter C. So, let us check kung tama ba yan. No? We have 3 over s plus 4. So, ang sabi natin, our s is equal to 2. So, we have 3 over 2 plus 4. So, this is equal to 3 over 6, which is equal to 1/2. So, pareho yung naging sagot natin dito sa nakuha natin sa calculator. Therefore, our answer here is correct. Okay, so I hope you got this technique in solving Laplace transform using your calculator. As I said, magagamit natin ito sa board exam, kung saan meron tayong mga choices na mga answer, no? Now, in your exam sa school, hindi nyo siya pwedeng gamitin because there is no choices usually. But you can use this to verify kung tama ba yung nakuha mong sagot.